ever feel nervous when meeting someone new in English?
Like you want to sound friendly but don't know what to say?
Don't worry. Today, we'll help you learn natural English phrases to make new friends instantly.
Real conversations, easy phrases, and natural confidence. Let's get started.
Hey, Sarah, have you ever felt awkward when meeting someone for the first time?
Oh, absolutely, especially when I didn't know what to say in English.
Same here. That's why knowing friendly expressions helps so much.
Totally, like starting with a simple hi. How's it going? Works wonders.
Yeah, it sounds casual and friendly. I often say, "Hey, nice to meet you."
That's a great start.
I love saying, "I've heard a lot about you" when meeting a mutual friend.
Oh, that's smooth. Makes people feel special instantly.
Exactly. It breaks the ice and shows warmth.
So, what's your go-to small talk question when meeting new people?
I usually ask, "What do you do?" or "Where are you from?"
Nice. I like asking, what brings you here? If it's an event or class.
Oh, that one's really natural. Keeps the conversation flowing.
Yeah, and it's polite without being too personal.
True. Small talk helps you connect before deeper topics.
Sometimes I compliment people. It's a great way to start.
Same. I say, "I like your style," or "That's a cool backpack."
Compliments make people smile and open up.
Exactly. Just make sure it's genuine.
Right. Fake compliments can feel awkward.
True. Authentic ones sound much better.
What do you usually talk about after the introduction?
Hobbies. I ask, "What do you like to do in your free time?"
Great idea. I often say, do you watch movies or play sports?
Yeah, hobbies are a fun, safe topic to explore.
Definitely. You can easily find common interests.
And when you do, it builds instant connection.
Have you ever met someone new while traveling?
Oh, yes. I once made a friend on a train by saying, "Is this seat taken?"
That's such a natural way to start.
Exactly. Then we started talking about our destinations.
I did the same at an airport once. It turned into a great chat.
Travel conversations often lead to lasting friendships.
True. Shared experiences make bonding easier.
What do you say when someone introduces themselves?
I reply, nice to meet you, Alex here, with a friendly smile.
That's perfect. I usually say, "It's great to meet you too."
Smiling is key. It makes your words more welcoming.
Totally agree. Body language speaks a lot too.
Sometimes people ask about my background.
Oh, how do you respond?
I usually say, I'm from Delhi and I work in marketing. What about you?
That's a great way to keep it balanced.
Exactly. Don't just answer, ask back.
That's how real conversations grow.
What if the person is quiet or shy?
Then I ask open-ended questions like, "What kind of music do you like?"
Smart. That invites them to share more.
Yes, and it shows you're interested in knowing them.
People love talking about what they enjoy.
Absolutely. It creates positive vibes.
How do you make someone feel comfortable in conversation?
I nod, smile, and say, "Oh, really?" Or, "That's interesting."
Those are great active listening signals.
Yes, they show you're paying attention.
I also use phrases like, I know what you mean, to relate.
Nice. That builds empathy and connection.
What if there's an awkward silence?
I usually laugh and say, "So, tell me more about yourself."
Good one. I might say I suddenly ran out of questions to lighten the mood.
That's charming. Humor makes people feel relaxed.
Definitely. Don't take silence too seriously.
Once you've talked a bit, how do you keep in touch?
I say, it was great chatting. Let's stay in touch.
Perfect. I often ask, are you on Instagram? Or can I add you on WhatsApp?
That's a good modern approach.
Yeah, it feels natural and friendly.
How do you end a first conversation politely?
I'd say, it was really nice meeting you. Hope we talk again soon.
I like that. I say, take care. See you around.
Short, kind, and warm, that's the key.
Totally agree. Leave them with a good impression.
You know what's important? Being genuinely curious about others.
Yes, people can feel when you really care.
Exactly. Asking, how's your day going, can start amazing conversations.
True. Simple kindness builds real connections.
And that's how friendships begin.
Do you remember the first time we met?
Of course, you said, "Hi, I love your podcast setup."
Yes, that's how our friendship started.
It was natural, not forced, and that's the trick.
100%. Friendship grows from small, honest moments.
I think being friendly in English is more about tone than vocabulary.
So true. Even simple phrases sound great with warmth.
Like saying, "Hey, how are you doing?" with a smile.
Or glad to see you again when you meet later.
It's about energy and attitude.
Absolutely.
What if someone introduces you in a group?
I just wave and say, hey everyone, I'm Alex.
That's friendly and confident.
Yeah, and then I ask, how do you all know each other?
Great way to join the conversation naturally.
I love using expressions like, that's awesome, or really, to keep things alive.
Yes, they show excitement and interest.
It makes you sound approachable.
And people remember that energy.
I once met a new friend just by saying, you have a great sense of humor.
Compliments really work. They break barriers.
Exactly. Everyone likes being appreciated.
True. But always keep it kind and simple.
I think the best advice for making new friends is be yourself.
Totally. Don't pretend to be someone else.
People connect to honesty, not perfection.
Yes, and your natural smile says more than words.
So, to our listeners, try using these phrases next time you meet someone new.
Don't be afraid to start a conversation in English. It could lead to a great friendship.
Practice these simple lines every day.
And remember, connection starts with confidence.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep making new friends.
See you in the next podcast. Your English journey continues.